The Cecil B. Butterfly Center is located at Callaway Garden in Pine Mountain, Georgia. It is North America's largest glass-enclosed tropical conservatory. The center opened to the public on September 25, 1988 and was one of the first three butterfly centers in the United States. The Butterfly Center is a 7,300 square feet glass dome that rises to 35 feet at its peak, allowing sunshine inside whenever clouds are absent. The center has received the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design certification award in 2004, which indicates that the building was designated, constructed, and is maintained in ways that are environmentally friendly. Signs are posted at the exits with a United States Department of Agriculture warning against removing any butterflies, insect or plant material from the premises. Butterflies are considered to be invasive species, requiring a means to prevent butterfly breakouts. A blast of air is projected inward by a machine at each doorway. Butterflies can get sick with viruses and bacterial infections just like humans. That's why it's important to keep the infected butterflies inside so they don't contaminate our native butterflies and shake up the development ecosystem. There are over 1,000 butterflies of over 50 different species at different times of the year. Perhaps just as important are the 250 plants of different varieties that produce the nectar that the butterflies feed on. The conservatory simulates a tropical ecosystem. The temperature is maintained at approximately 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 74 degree relative humidity. Ideal conditions for the specimens. People will see more butterflies in the summer because they get their energy from the sun. It could be said that butterflies are solar powered. Insects are cold blooded, so they won't take flight until their body temperature reaches 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The theater continuously plays the film Wings of Wonder, an award documentary that examines the life cycle of the butterfly. The Butterfly Center buys butterflies from farmers in 6 countries: Malaysia, Tanzania, Costa Rica, the Philippines, El Salvador, and Ecuador. The butterflies are sent to the garden via US mail, FedEx, or UPS in small cardboard boxes padded with cotton. They are in the pupa stage. When they are shipped to the center upon arrival, the chrysalis are pinned to a vertical board and kept in a controlled environment until they emerge. Flights of fancy await you in the Cecil Day Butterfly Center, where typically 1,000 or more butterflies flutter freely about in one of North America's largest tropical butterfly conservators. Spanning the life cycle of butterflies, what they eat and where they come from, Butterfly 101 takes guests through an engaging presentation on all aspects of the butterfly.